Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a dependent visa for Australia. Whether you're reuniting with family or accompanying a skilled worker, we have got all the details covered. Let's dive into this comprehensive guide. Determine your eligibility. Before you begin, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for a dependent visa. These criteria often include being a family member of an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or eligible New Zealand citizen. Make sure you're eligible to apply before moving forward. Choose the right dependent visa category. Australia offers various dependent visa categories, each catering to different family relationships and situations. Whether you're a spouse, partner, child, or other eligible family member, make sure you choose the right visa category that matches your relationship. Gather required documents. Collect all the necessary documents, which may include your passport, birth certificate, marriage certificate, if applicable, proof of relationship, health and character documents, and any additional requirements specific to the chosen visa category. Lodge an online application. The application process is typically done online through the official Australian immigration website. Create an account, complete the application form, and upload the required documents. Pay attention to any additional information or declarations that need to be made. Health and character checks. In many cases, dependent visa applicants are required to undergo health and character assessments. These checks are essential to ensure that you meet the health and character requirements set by the Australian government. Pay the visa fee. Visa applications usually come with a processing fee. Make sure to pay the fee as directed during the application process. Keep the payment receipt. You'll need it as part of your application. Wait for a decision. After submitting your application, the processing time can vary. While waiting, keep an eye on your email for any updates or additional requests from the immigration authorities. Visa grant and travel planning. Host, once your dependent visa is granted, congratulations! You receive a visa grant notice with important details. Now, it's time to plan your journey to Australia and reunite with your loved ones. Conclusion. A step-by-step guide on how to apply for a dependent visa for Australia. The process may seem intricate, but with careful preparation and attention to detail, you can navigate it successfully. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more immigration tips and guides. Thanks for watching.